Let us see DS instruction from instruction set of 8086, which stands for decimal adjust after subtraction and which is applied only after performing subtraction on the BCD numbers. So before we see the example of DAS, have a look, make this difference clear among decimal, BCD and hexadecimal. So 83 in decimal. From this, every digit is represented with 4 bits in binary coded decimal. So 3 is represented as 0011 and 8 is represented as 1000. As decimal numbering system is supporting 0 to 9 digits only. At max with 4 bits, 9 can be represented in BCD. Then this BCD can be converted into the hexadecimal by forming the group of 4 bits. So 0011, these are grouped to get 3. Then 1000 are grouped to get 8 digits from the hexadecimal. So when we perform decimal to BCD conversion and BCD to the hexadecimal conversion, we find the hexadecimal is same as that of the decimal number. Then coming to the binary representation of this 83, which is obtained by considering the weightages which are assigned to the position in binary, which is in terms of power of 2. So 83 get represented as 01010011. Then we can have its hexadecimal representation by forming the group of 4 bits. So 0011 is grouped and 3 is assigned and is represented as 3 from the hexadecimal. Then 0101 is grouped to get 5 from the hexadecimal. So 53 is the equivalent hexadecimal for this binary representation and which is equivalent of 83 in decimal. So coming back to this example, where we are trying to perform the subtraction of 54 from 83. So 83 is moved to the AL register. Now 83 is in the range of 0 to 9. So 83, this number is consisting of digits which are in the range of 0 to 9. That's why it is the valid BCD. Then 54 is moved to the BL register. Again it is comprised of 4 digits which are in the range of 0 to 9. That's why it is the valid BCD. On application of subtraction command AL, BL, the contents of BL are going to be subtracted from AL. Here AL 83 is the minuend and 54 is the subtrahend. For us these are the BCD values, but processor assumes that these values are in hexadecimal form and performs the subtraction by using 16's complement. So we need to calculate the 16's complement of subtrahend, that is 54, which is 2 digit long, so it is subtracted from F, which is used for twice. So FF minus 54 results in AB. On addition of 1 to this, it gives 16's complement of 54, which is AC. This 16's complement of subtrahend get added to the 83. On addition of this addition again we have to perform in the hexadecimal only. So C plus 3 15, 15 modulus 16, 15, 15 divided by 16 carries 0. A plus 8, 10 plus 8 18, 18 modulus 16 2, 18 divided by 16 carries 1. As this carry is generated in 16's complement subtraction, it must be ignored as result is in its original form. This 2F get stored with the AL register. But if we consider the BCD, then this represents the invalid BCD only because this F exceeds the 9. Then on application of DAS, it checks for the contents of this AL register. If lower nibble of AL register is greater than 9, then 06 gets subtracted from it. If the upper nibble of AL register is greater than 9, then 60 get subtracted from it. Now this from 2F, the lower nibble is greater than 9. So 06 gets subtracted from this 2F to give 29. See, 15 minus 6 9, 2 minus 0 2. So it gives 29 and this result gets stored back to the AL register. Okay. See, it checks for the condition on application of DAS whether lower nibble of this AL register is greater than 9 or auxiliary flag is 1. If it is so, then 06 get subtracted from this contents of AL and auxiliary flag gets set to the 1. If upper nibble of the AL register is greater than 9, then 60 get subtracted from this. 60 gets subtracted from the contents of AL register and carry flag gets set to the 1. Okay. If we perform 83 minus 54 in decimal, we come across 29 result only, which is obtained on application of this DAS command.